Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today, we are going to be having one of the most important, amazing, and not that much big of a topic. It is not amazing and it is not a topic. It is just a journal video today. I have something to share with you people. Please don't mind the board. This is from an old video. I didn't have the time to remove it. So, lots of people make a big mistake when learning languages. We are not natives. We are never natives. I'm not a native. I learned English somewhere else in Pakistan, to be specific, and in my own city. I am not from abroad. I have not studied in abroad. I am not born in abroad. I am Pakistani. I learned English inside Pakistan. Now, if you watch, so there are multiple different things that people make mistakes. But the biggest one is they say that how to be fluent within a time duration. There are two big mistakes we are going to talk. Number one is bounding yourself to a timing. You go for those type of videos. Does this happen to you people? Like where there is one video in that it is written that how to become rich. You don't watch that video. You just think it is just, it is not your type of video. But if you watch a video where it is written how to get rich in 5, 7 or 6 days, so you will jump into the video and you will think that how to get rich fast. Lots of people make this mistake. They watch courses of different kind of courses that are like learn English and be English fluent in be English native in 5, 6 days, in 7 days, in a month, in a year, or whatever, in a week. Lots of people. And first of all, you cannot become a native. Never. If this is your second language, you are not a native. Native are the people whose mother tongue is the language. Now, English is the mother tongue of Americans, so they are the natives. English is the mother tongue of British people. So, for example, everyone who's British, actually, British are the... why am I changing my accent? I'm sorry, I changed my accent for a moment right there. So, for example, British are the type of people that nowadays are in multiple places like America, etc. All of those people are from one nation, that is British. Their mother tongue is English. So, that's why they are the natives. You people understand that. So, if we are not natives, we take time. Lots of people are afraid that it will take 1 year, 2 years, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. Oh my God, I don't have time. Give time. When you give time, you will be the best. And if you're not giving the best, so then you will be the jack of all and master of none. You have to master something. Now, if that comes to me, so I am jack of all and master of some. So you should be like me. You should be jack of all and master of some, not master of none. You should master something like English, computer, etc. These are the things I've mastered in my own life. Now, second biggest mistake that people do when they are doing a lot of things, for example, learning English, etc. One thing that they are saying in their own mind is, we cannot do it. They say to themselves, we are not able to do it, we cannot do it, and they bound themselves to this thing that we cannot do it, it is not our job, it is not easy, we cannot do it, etc. When you bound your own mind, when you are saying to your own mind again and again, I cannot do it, I cannot do it, I cannot do it, so you will not be able to do it. You should say to yourself, even if you cannot do it, still say to yourself, I will do it, I can do it, it is easy. Give yourself motivation. When you yourself are not satisfied by yourself, nobody can satisfy you. When you yourself are not motivated, nobody can motivate you. When you yourself are losing, nobody can make you win. When you yourself are super motivated, nobody can take you and discourage you. You will go ahead if you are super motivated from inside. If you are saying to yourself again and again, I cannot do, so nobody is going to be making you do it. Nobody is able to help you doing it. You are the one, you have to think. We all are not natives. We have a bad English. I had a bad English. I used to break the limbs, legs. I used to break even I used to crush the lungs of English language. Just think about this. I was so bad at English. But I was not scared because I was a kid. I had confidence. I used to say so much confidence that my teachers used to tell me that when you are saying, we think that we are speaking wrong English and you are saying the correct version of it. I was very confident. I was happy. I thought I can do it. They are saying wrong, I am saying correct. I thought like this. It is not actually superiority or inferiority. This is actually self-motivation, self-boost, self-courage. This is what we should all have. This is what makes us special. This is what makes us human. We can motivate ourselves. Other different kind of genetical beings or other kind of creatures, they cannot do the same as we are able to do. We are different, they are different. We are not like them. We are better. We can do it. We are the one who should do it. I can do it. This is the spirit you should have when you are doing something. If you don't have this spirit, you can never do it. I hope you people understood our today's lecture. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll meet you people in the next video. Thank you so much until that time. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.